हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे।
ते तत्र तत्राब्जयवाङ्कुशशनि ध्वजोपपन्नानि पदानि विष्पतेः मार्गे गवामन्यपदान्तरान्तरे निरीक्षमाणाय युरङ्गसत्वराः अन्तर्हृदे भुजगभोगपरीतमारात् कृष्णं निरीहमुपलभ्य जलाशयान्ते गोपांश्च मूढदिशनान् परितः पशूंश्च सङ्क्रन्तद परमकश्मलमापुरार्ताः गोप्योऽनुरक्तमनसो भगवत्यनन्ते तत्सौहृदस्मितविलोकगिरस्मरन्त्य ग्रस्ते हि न प्रियतमे वृषदुःखतप्ताः शून्यं प्रियव्यतिहृतं ददृशु स्त्रीलोकं ता कृष्णमातरमपत्यमनुप्रविष्टां तुल्यव्यथा समनुगृह्य शुचस्रवन्त्यः तास्ता व्रजप्रियकथाः कथयन्त्य आसन् कृष्णाननेऽर्पितदृशो मृतकप्रतीकाः कृष्णप्राणान् निर्विशतो नन्दादीन् वीक्ष्य तं हृदम् प्रत्यषेदत्स भगवान् रामः कृष्णानुभावतित् इत्थं स्वगोकुलमनन्यगतिं निरीक्ष्य सस्त्री कुमारमतिदुःखितमात्महेतोः आज्ञाय मर्त्यपदवीमनुवर्तमानः स्थित्वा मुहूर्तमुदितिष्ठद्धुरङ्गबन्धात् तत्प्रत्यमानवपुषा व्यतितात्मभोग त्यक्तवोन्नमय्य कुपितस्वनान् भुजङ्गः तस्थौ स्वसंश्वसन रन्ध्रविशाम्भरीश स्तब्धेक्षणोन्मुखो हरिमीक्षमाणः तं जिह्वया द्विशिखया परिलेलिहानं द्वे सृक्कणीह्यति करालनिशाग्निदृष्टिं क्रीडन्नमुं परिससार यथा खगेन्द्रो बभ्रामसोऽप्यवसरं प्रसमीक्षमाणः एवं परिभ्रमहतौजस मुन्नतां स मानं यतत्पृतुशिरस्वधिरूढ आद्यः तन्मूर्धरत्न निकरस्पर्शापिताम्र पादाम्बुजोऽखिलकलादिगुरुर्ननर्त तं नर्तुमध्यतमवेक्ष तदा तदीय गन्धर्वसिद्धसुरचारण देववध्वः प्रीत्या मृदङ्गपणवानकवाद्यगीत पुष्पोपहारनुतुभिः सहसोपसेन्दुः यद्यच्छिरो न नमतेऽङ्गशतैकशीर्ष्ण तत्तन्ममर्दखरदण्डधरोऽङ्घ्रिपातैः क्षीणायुषो भ्रमत उल्बणमास्यतोऽसृन् नस्तोवमन् परमकश्मलमापनागः तस्याक्षिभिर्गरलमुद्वमतः शिरस्सु यत् निःश्वसतो रुषोच्यैः नृत्यन् पदानुनमयन् दमयां बभूव पुष्पै प्रपूजित इवेह पुमान् पुराणः तच्चित्रताण्डव विरुग्न फणातपत्रो रक्तं मुखैरुरुवमन् नृपभग्नगात्रः स्मृत्वा चराचर गुरुं पुरुषं पुराणं नारायणं तमरणं मनसा जगाम कृष्णस्य गर्भजगतोऽतिपरावसन्नं पार्ष्णिप्रहार परिरुग्णफणातपत्रं दृष्ट्वा हि माद्यमुपसेदुरमुष्य पत्न्य आर्ताशलद्वसनभूषणकेशबन्धाः तास्तं सुविघ्नमनसोत पुरस्कृतार्भाः कायं निधाय भुवि भूतपतिं प्रणेमुः साद्य कृताञ्जलिपुटाः शमलस्य भर्तुः मोक्षेप्सवः शरणदं शरणं प्रपन्नाः।
Radhe Krishna, super reading so nicely, very smooth, beautiful.
नृत्यति परमात्मा सानन्दं नृत्यति परमात्मा कालियारुण फणरंग करुणारस परि पूर्णापांग नृत्यति परमात्मा सानंदं नृत्यति परमात्मा किन्नर गंधर्वामर गीतः किसलयारुण कोमलपाद नृत्यति परमात्मा सानंदं नृत्यति परमात्मा प्रेमोन्मत्त गोपीवलितः ब्रह्मादिलोक पालविनुतः नृत्यति परमात्मा सानंदं नृत्यति परमात्मा नृत्यति परमात्मा सानंदं नृत्यति महात्मा
एतत्र तत्राब्जयवाङ्कुशासने ध्वजोपपन्नानि पदानि विष्पतेः. They are following. They can see the marks of the cows and the calves' hooves, and in between those you see Krishna's footprints. So somebody may ask, how come? Because once Krishna has walked, there will be other cows and calves that follow him, no? So they will step on his footprints, and therefore his footprints will not be seen. It's not like that. In Vrindavanam, anywhere he puts his foot, every other being makes sure that those footprints are available for darshanam of all the other Vrindavanavasis. Therefore, all these people are able to use that as the indication to see where he has gone, and they are coming satvaraha, they are coming fast. Yayuranga satvaraha antarhrude. They have seen the ones who have reached the Kaliya Kunda, they are seeing antarhrude, inside the pond. Bhujaga bhoga paritam. From others are seeing from far, Arat, they are seeing this Krishna is totally tied by this black snake. Krishnam niriham jalashayante. All of them, their heart, their brain, everything is covered with the sadness. Muda dishanane sankrandataka paramakashmalam. Paramakashmalam, great sorrow. Arthaha, this kind of danger they have never felt before. Bhagavati, Anante, Tat Sauhrada, Smita, Biloka, Gira, Smarantya. They say your life flashes in front of your eyes. All their interaction with Krishna is flashing in front of their eyes because they think he is in mortal danger. So everything they are remembering, his kindness, Sahrada, his smile, his smita, Viloka, the way he would look at them, Giraha, the way he would talk to them, Smarantya, everything. Graste, Ahina, today he is now caught by the snake, Priyatame. Ta Krishna Mataram, imagine what the Krishna's mothers would have felt. These other gopis have surrounded their mothers. They're all saying Krishna Katha, Krishna, Krishna. Krishna Pranan Nirbishato Nandadin. Nandagopa and the other adult men, they want to jump into the pond and go and wrestle with the snake and free this Krishna. They are eager to do that, but somebody stops them. Why? Somebody who knows? prabhavagno anujasya cha. Somebody knows the power of this younger brother. So the elder brother is saying, wait, don't be in a hurry to rush into the poisonous water. Pratyashedat sa Bhagavan Ramaha. Bhagavan Ramaha. Balrama is also Bhagavan. That Bhagavan Rama is stopping. Itham swagokulam ananyagatim nirikshya. Ananyagati. Oh, for all these people, there's only one gati, that is Krishna. So looking at that, he says, okay, this Kaliya has enjoyed my embrace for a muhurta. So now it is time to reduce the sorrow of all those other devotees. Stritva muhurtam. Therefore, in that muhurta, Premierna was joking at another time. He said, Ananta Shaino. He wants to give Padmanabha Darshanam. If he gives that Darshanam to Akrura, Akrura will do big worship. Akrura Stuti, Periya Stuti Panduvar. He tried to give that Darshanam. Okay, this is what I look like when I am with a snake. But all these children, all these mothers, all these fathers, they all got so worried. He said, okay, maybe for them we don't give this Darshanam. I'll give them a dancing Darshanam. So he switched to the darshan from being wrapped by the snake to now dancing on top of the snake. Kali yaruna fanaranga karuna rasa pari purna panga. Ranga means stage. What is the stage? Fanaranga hai. This particular bhujanga, this particular snake, it is thinking, what has happened? Suddenly, this Krishna has become little big. So he's not able to tightly hold him. So he has slipped out of his grasp. So he is searching. He has got 101 heads. Each of those heads is searching. Where is this boy? Where is this boy? He is searching here and there. And this Krishna has swum around him just like a Garuda swims around, just like a Garuda flies around a snake. Similarly, this Krishna is swimming around this particular Kaliya, and suddenly he has jumped on his head, and his head has become the Ranga. Ranga means what? The stage for the dancing. Kaliya runa fanaranga karuna rasa pari purna panga nrityati paramatma sanandam nrityati paramatma. Sometimes quickly, sometimes slowly, giving many different darshanam of dancing. Because Karuna Rasam Tan Murdha Ratna Nikara Sparshati Tamra Padambujo Evam Paribrama
hataujasamunnatamsam anamya tat prathushira swadhiruda adyaha Tanmurdha ratna nikara sparsha atitamra padambujo akhila kaladi guru nanartha akhila kaladi guru nanartha.
So beautiful darshana. Every one of these heads, because these are divine snakes, they are studded with some divine gems, and those gems are shining. Tan Murdha Ratna Nikara. Murdha means on the head. On each of the head of this Kaliya, there is one Sarpa Ratna, and that Ratna is shining, and that shining is getting reflected on Krishna's feet as he is dancing on this Fanaranga. Tam Nartham Udyatam Aveksha Tada Tadiya. Oh, we did not know that today there is a dance performance. Aisa soch ke all the devas, all the Gandharvas, all the Apsaras, everybody has come to offer worship. They have brought all their own musical instruments. Pritya, Mridanga, Panavanaka, Vadya, Geeta. And some of them are showering flowers. Some of them are making music. Some of them are trying to dance in accordance with how Krishna is dancing. Sahasopaseduhu. Each one of these heads Kaliya wants to make sure that every one of his heads is blessed by the touch of Krishna's feet. So he is showing, oh, this head, please dance on this head. Please dance on this head. Please dance on this head. He's showing every head. Yad yad shiro nanamatenga shataika shirshna. Shataika. Shata is 100, Eka is 101 heads. Every head he has shown to Krishna for Krishna to dance. Tattan mamarda Karadanda Darogripataihi. These heads have never done namaskara. So every time one of those heads comes up, Krishna places his foot and makes it look like this Kaliya is doing namaskara with his head to Krishna's feet. He's never done namaskara. But in the Kaliya Nartana Leela, it looks like this Kaliya is doing namaskara with every one of his heads. Krishnasya Garbha Jagato Atibharavasannam. You remember, no? Krishna has opened his mouth. He showed it to his mother. What was inside his stomach? The entire universe was inside. So, this Kaliya is not able to bear the weight. He thought some small child, but the child who is dancing on his head is holding the universe in his stomach. அப்படின்னு ஒரு விளையாட்டா சொல்றார். ஒரு லீலை. You have to enjoy the லீலை. விளையாட்டா சொல்றார். கிருஷ்ணஸ்ய கர்ப்ப ஜகதோ அதிபராவசன்னம் பார்ஷ்ணிப்ரஹார. So, this Kaliya, his heads are not able to bear the weight of this dancing. Kshinayushaha. His ayus is getting reduced. Therefore, he thinks, how is it possible that some small child is dancing on my head and I am not able to capture that child? And I am not even able to bear the weight of that child. This must be something special. Smritva charachara gurum purusham puranam narayanam tam aranam manasa jagama. It must be that protector. He has come. It is a blessing for me. He is thinking. But in the meantime, his heads are feeling the pain. Seeing him in that condition, all his family is in that Kaliya Hrida. Therefore, Patnyaha Arthaha, all his wives, their children, all the family, all those snakes have come out. And Krishna comes, even when he goes into Mathura, all the women, they drop everything they are doing and rush to see him, no? At that time, somebody's hair is half made, somebody's ornaments are half done, and so on. Similarly, all these Nagapatnis also came like that. They were rushing to come out. Slathat, Vasana Bhushana, Kesha Bandhaha, Kayam Nidaya. They all did namaskaram to this Krishna, who is in the Kaliya Nartana pose, giving darshana. Sharanadam Sharanam Prapannaha. All these Patnis, Naga Patnis, they are doing Sharanagati for Kaliya, so that Kaliya can be blessed. Nrityanne Padanu Namayanne. This Krishna who is dancing, Kaliyaruna Fana Ranga hai. Beautiful worship. Every time there is a stuti, it has deep meanings. Nagapatnis are going to offer worship to this Krishna who is dancing on top of their husband Kaliya. He was dancing very quickly in the beginning. Now Kaliya is tired, so he is dancing slowly. Premonmatta gopi balitaha brahmadi lokapala vinutaha.